I popped out this morning and on my rounds I bumped into my local collector friend who had actually something else for me. And this is a Hoover Aquamaster that he says he picked up from somewhere, doesn't want, it's not complete, do I want it? So here we are, doing a video so we can go through and work out what I have. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? This box is for an Aquamaster Electronic S4472 and we'll have a better look at that in a minute. Yeah, he says it's not complete, doesn't even know if it works. Do I want it? It looks very clean. There's no real use showing on that. We have to get the cleaner out, and it is a 4472 from 1990, and immediately there is no cable on it at all, and it has a broken caster. But looking at the wheels, there's no wear on them. Maybe he said he didn't think it had been used. We'll keep unpacking for now. We have some bubble wrap. That's good. Ooh. We have the bulk pickup hose. Oh no. With, oh crikey. 2 bulk pickup tubes. So that's interesting. Duraclean of the garden. I'll put those here. What else do we have? We have not 1, not 2, oh no, not 3 or 5 ones. That's handy, because I need to give 2 away with this. Hello. 5 aluminium ones. I like having that a lot. We have the dry hose with its built-in solution tube. As you can see, it dives down in there. This is the first generation of them doing this. You cannot turn that 360 degrees. I don't think it's been used. Look, the loop on the shampoo delivery pipes allows for stretch of the hose. And it's there, on the hose. It's never been used. What? 2 bags. That's handy. These are difficult to find now. And difficult to bodge other bags on because of the big size. We have this, which is what starts the solution off on its journey. One tube plugs into the machine and the other tube goes off down to the wands. The Hoover Guarantee cover. Oddly, the Flex. What the heck? Yeah, don't know. Oh god. Definitely don't know. But back on track. We do have all 3 small tools, which is fantastic. We have the smashed wheel. Another bit of metal. The self-return envelope for the warranty slip. A little bag. A couple of shampoo clips. And a little spitty bit of tube which goes from the machine to there. And that's it. Just more rubbish. So, okay, that's cool. Have a better look at the box now. So it's got its original box. Got its original tool. It's just missing all of the big heads. From the look, I want to put that up there because I mainly want to get rid of that. Yeah. Question now is, why is it missing its cable? Why is its cable, which hasn't, it's not been that's not been unwrapped. This is a puzzle. Ladies and gentlefolk, what? Wow! Oh, I've never seen the sponge there before. Oh dear, it's gone. Yeah, I'm not going to turn the machine on with that on there because A, there's not much point, B, it's just going to go and knack her up. There's no rust. It smells new. What is? You look in there, it's spotless. This is curiouser and curiouser. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm going to take this brand new mains flex and we're going to strip this down a bit and fit it with a plug, I guess, and see what's occurring. I'm very confused. We might die. Let's go. Okay, well, in this exploratory episode of Beko 1987, we are going to remove the factory tape from the mains flex. Oh, it's gone all sticky. Oh, God. Stick you to there, and yeah, I don't know, maybe it's been liquidated and they cut the cable. Maybe it was arson, you know, misdemeanors. Maybe the shop owner owed someone some money. But what we're going to try and do now is pop off, I'll do it so you can see, these two plastic covers here. The whole thing's min. I think we should be cleaning this up in a second. Then we can get to the two screws. In theory, this bit should just come off. Unless there's anything. I don't think there is, but equally we're going to check. Oh gosh, yes there is. There are two more screws. It's been a while since I've done one this new on the older Aquamasters. It's a little bit different, and the module, that's different as well. Come along. And the speed control knob. So there we go. Motor spins fine. There's a little bit of rust, but equally that could be where it's been stored. It's brand new. This is very strange indeed. But all we care about for now is this bit here. Still don't know what to do with this thing. Oh. I'm actually going to pull the remains of the cable out and push the remains of the cable in. Oh crikey. Then I've got to strip the ends of this wire and then screw it back into the terminals. Nothing really more needed than that. Although you've got to make sure that you have the terminals up enough, because these aren't crimped anymore. Come on, poke up. Aha. There we go. Put the cable exit grommet there. Do this back up. Same part as on the Hoover Turbo Powers as well. Fun fact there, that's probably the same part. They still use the plastic sheathing. You can tell a generation from the parts they use. So hopefully this should now just sort of sit back on there. And I can do all four of the screws up, put the caps back on, I'll whack a plug on the lead and we'll come straight back. And in theory, it's turned on, it's either going to explode Or run absolutely fine. Well, okay, there we go. So we can fit the hose, and yes, to fit the hose you have to loop that into the dust bag. Find the angle at which the hose which doesn't twist. Oh my goodness. Am I missing something here? No. Oh. And then you have, yeah, you have your hose all ready to go. It works really, really well. It's almost a shame about those missing pieces. But, so, there we go, folks. A brand new Hoover Aquamaster Electronic S 4472. I don't really want to put it on eBay because I feel bad making money from something that I was given for free. So I think I have a couple of people who I know have asked about if anybody's selling one, and I'm sure it can be picked up by another collector and, you know, actually like, because although they are flipping good machines, if I was now in need of a 100% bulletproof dry vacuum, I'd be over the moon. But I'm not, and I tick the Aquamaster box. I'll always save one, but I have no need for it here and now. And also what I have found, and that's why I cut the video in the first place. Remember ages ago we unboxed that random load of parts? Well, there were the 2 shampoo heads in it. So now all this is missing is the straight suction floor tool and the instruction manual, because yeah, obviously we've got all of this bit sat here like that. So yeah, one brand new vacuum, hopefully ready for a good home. And I have done a thing, we've made a video, we've made it run. God knows why the cable was cut, we can think about that below, I'm sure. And but probably not this Hoover Aquamaster, will see you soon. Bye bye.